Hi there and welcome to Sep and Shelley's DIY. We create, make and renovate items for the garden and for the home. Today's project is to turn this old chest into an all-in-one nature reserve for the garden. At the top we're going to have a bird box with somewhere to feed for the birds underneath. Then we're going to put in a home for butterflies, and at the very bottom we're going to put an insect hotel in there. To start the project, we're now going to mark using a chalk all the holes that we're going to cut out. As you've just seen, we've cut all the holes in the box. Now what we've got to do is, just open it up, is we've got to put some dividing boards into here. One where the birdhouse is, where the feeding place is, one where the butterflies are, and then another one in here where the beehive is going to be. I've placed all the wood in where the insect hotel is going to be, and now we've got to saw them down to size. Now we're ready to fill out each of the compartments. We're going to pop this piece of wood in here and just glue it into place just of here. Then we've got here, this has got to go in front of the feeding house, the bird feeding house, so that's got to go on there as well. Then we've got to fill out where the butterflies go in. They need some sticks inside of here. And then the last bit is here at the bottom with the straw that we're going to fill out for the other insects. And in here, of course, this is where the wood has gone with the holes in it, and we've already done that. I hope you liked our video up to now. Press the like button and please subscribe. And here's the finished product. We've hung it on the back of our shed. So now we can have some birds, some bees and some beautiful butterflies. We'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Ta-ta for now.